All right, our next part of our learning target is to talk about how we can find interior and exterior angles in a regular polygon. Okay, so we talked about how to find the sum of the interior and exterior. So now we're going to use that. Okay, and when we have a regular polygon, so that means regular means all sides and all angles, we just take our interior sum divided by the number of sides. So that means we're going to take n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. And if we need the exterior, we take the exterior sum divided by n, which means we're going to have 360 degrees for our exterior sum divided by n. So let's look at our examples real quick. What are the measures of the interior and exterior angles of a regular octagon, which means n equals 8? So to do our interior, we just take our number of sides, n minus 2 times 180, so we're going to do 8 minus 2 times 180. That gives us our inside. And now we want the interior angles, so we divide by how many angles we have, which are 8, because they're all the same. So when we do that, we take 8 minus 2, which is 6, times 180, which is 1080, and we divide that by 8, and we get 135 degrees. Now to do the exterior, do the same idea. What's the exterior sum? Well, it's 360 degrees divided by 8. And we will get 45 degrees. Now, when you have a polygon that is regular, the interior and exterior angles are supplementary. 135 plus 45 makes 180. So if you add these two together, they're supplementary and make 180 degrees. Now this next example is a little bit trickier, okay? But it says how many sides, so that means we got to find n, the number of sides. So what is the number of sides? If a regular polygon, so notice we got our regular here, that means all are the same, has an interior angle of 150 degrees. Okay, so if we're going to find the interior angle, we got to use our formula. So we got the number of sides minus 2 times 180. It's regular, so divided by n equals 150. Okay, now it's really just an equation that we have to solve. So we're going to get rid of the n. So we got times n. We can divide that away. So now we got an equation of n minus 2 times 180 equals 150n. Now, when you get this, a lot of times we want to divide here, but this time we don't. It's actually easier if we distribute. So we're going to take 180 times n and 180 times negative 2, which is negative 360. Equals 150n. Now we can take the 180n away and bring it over here, and we get negative 360 equals negative 30n. Now we can divide by negative 30, and we get n to equal, well, 360 divided by 30 it's the same as 36 divided by 3, but we'll do negative 360 divided by negative 30, and we get positive 12. So it's a 12-sided figure. So you'll have to use that one if you have a question kind of like this. And that is how you can find the interior angle or the exterior angle in a regular polygon. Our next video is going to talk about when it's not regular.